Hey everyone, hopefully you guys are having fun in your isolation stations, keeping busy, not going crazy. I know I'm having a great time. But I figured I'd talk to you guys today about biamping, what it is, why you want to do it, and why you're even able to do it. But first, if you guys haven't subscribed already, if you could go ahead and click that subscribe button, and when we're done, if you like the video, click that like button. But anyway, back to biamping. What biamping is when you take two of your receiver's channels and put it into one speaker. Or if you have a processor, you send two of your processor's channels to two of your amp channels, and then two of those amp channels to the same speaker. Biamping isn't the same as bi-wiring. Bi-wiring is just where you have one wire that splits into two and goes into the speaker. Not all speakers are biampable or bi-wireable, but most of them are these days. Anything kind of tower-like or decent bookshelf usually is. I don't think my heights are. Yeah, no, my heights aren't, but all my towers are. And what bi-wiring, I can't even say it.
Biamp
is gives you more power and better control over the speaker. It doesn't actually make the speaker that much louder, only slightly. It's more about the sound coming out of the speaker. The first thing you want to do if you're going to biamp is make sure you take these out. These are your little bridge posts, or your little, I don't know, they're little, I guess they're bridge plates, bridge posts, whatever you want to call them. But what they do is connect your speaker's high and low terminals together. So if you only have one wire coming in, both sets of speakers get power. Because if you don't, a whole lot of things are gonna go real wrong real fast. And that's not what we're trying to do. So what you wanna do is, first things first, go into your settings and set everything up in your amp assign mode. If you have a Marantz or a Denon running the Odyssey setup, and you just go into speakers, amp assign, and then right here, biamp, like I had it set at 11.1 before. So you just go over, scroll over, 9.1 channel biamp, and what that'll do is you'll lose your surround backs, but that'll give you two channels to your fronts. So let's go ahead and do that. And that clicking was what that was. It was turning off my rear speakers and sending it to the fronts. Now, of course, that doesn't actually do anything. You have to set it all up physically. So what you do to do that is come around here to your speaker, and mine are bi-wired normally. These are my rear surround banana plugs right there. So what we're gonna do, see, I already have my binding posts out, and I just have bi-wire cables that I made go into my highs and lows already, so it doesn't matter which one you unplug, because unless you have an active EQ, we'll just stick those there so they don't touch nothing. Unless you have an active EQ, you're basically going to be getting the same signal through both wires that you plug in. And then we'll just run over to the other channel and do the same thing. And we'll plug the top ones over here just because, like I said, it doesn't matter. And black into black, red into red, and you can see there's no binding posts in there either. Well, I guess there's binding posts, but there's no jumpers. Yeah, I guess that's what they're called, jumpers. So there we go. And bi-wiring is where you just take one cable from the amp and then it just splits at the end and goes into the speaker. It's basically the same as this. Does the same thing. It just, I don't know, looks cool, I guess. So yeah, here we go. We'll set everything back up to just single. I'll give you like the standard demo. There's no subs running. It'll just be left and right in stereo. And we'll go one channel the first time. So I'm gonna have to undo everything that I just showed you guys how to do. And then I'll play the same song again with everything set up in biamped. And you guys can be the judge of whether it's something you think's worth your while. All right, good to go. Everything's switched back. We're set to 11.1. We're bi-wired and we're on stereo. So we've got no subs. Here we go. Right in a minute. All right, now I'll go ahead and I'll switch everything back again, and we'll come in here, we'll set that to biamp, and I'll play the same minute of the same song over again. Here we go. One down. Two down. She's clicking. Well, there we go. What did you guys think? I don't know. They both sounded pretty good to me. I can hear a little bit of a difference. A little bit more on like the saxophone and stuff. I can tell a little bit, but other than that, like, I don't know. Unless you have more like if you got some empty receiver channels kicking around that you're not using, I'd say go for it. But me personally, like, I'd rather have more surround channels. I'm a surround sound guy. But if you're trying to run stereo and you got, you know, like a 4-channel amp, I think that'd be I mean, why not? You're not hurting anything. Me personally, I don't know if it's for me necessarily. It would be nice to clear out a couple of speakers in this room though. Get back some floor space. But you be the judge. It's up to you. Like it's all personal. Whatever everybody likes is the right answer, right? So test it out maybe. Give it a shot. And let me know in the comments. I'm sure if you guys are at home, not working, just chilling, isolated, you got nothing better to do, so why not? But yeah, keep doing tech stuff and have a good weekend, guys. Take care.